coming. Look, the BBLs now, this side is a fashion. That side now they're removing the BBLs. There's a video that I don't know if I still have on my phone. I'm gonna show you where they're busy squeezing all this fats out of this lady. So we are copying. While we are taking everything, they wanna get out of these things. It's like I don't know, man.
Yeah.
It's sick, man. Okay, guys. I will wanna play a game. So I'm gonna ask a question. Then I'm gonna choose between you guys who must answer.
Okay.
Are you good?
Yeah.
All right.
Special episode of Easy on It with Sithole coming next.
Hi guys, welcome to Easy on It with Sithole. Today I'm at Melapo, guys. I visited my super fan, the one who's always commenting. Yeah, I visited her, but today we're gonna have a chat. Yeah, man, it's gonna be fun. I hope these two best friends, they don't hold up, on how much they know each other. I hope they do tell us, So without further ado, please introduce yourself. Who are you?
Hi guys, my name is Sithole. I go by Les. Okay, many people call me Les.
Okay.
Yeah, I live here in Molapo with my mom.
Okay.
Hi guys, my name is Nato Muti. I stay in Molapo. Yeah, nice to meet you all. Yeah, it's fine.
Where is the name Les came from? Who gave you that name?
I did.
Wait a minute. You gave yourself a name?
Yes.
You're like that.
I just took it from Sithole and then I cut the rest of the name. So I just cut it short and less. Yeah.
No, I hear you, man. Tuntu, where does the Tuntu name came from?
I was given by my friends,
Yeah.
Yeah, I was too naughty by then.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
What does Tuntu mean?
Oh!
Sorry, guys.
So more like Inju,
Yeah.
Yes, Inju.
No, I do. And then how long have you guys known each other?
Yeah.
Like how long have you known each other?
It's almost a decade now.
10 years ago.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yep.
So you guys know each other that much?
Not that much.
No, we became friends, close friends,
but we,
10 years ago, right?
Yeah, but
and then we grew up together, but
splitted it was when 3 years back of that decade, right? Yeah. So we split it apart. I had to do my things, she had to do her things. Then we ended up being together again.
Talking about doing your own thing and you doing your own thing, have you ever should I call you Les or Sithole?
Les is fine. Sithole, whatever you want to call me.
Okay, have you ever been betrayed by a friend in your life?
Yes.
Have you ever been betrayed?
Yes, so many times.
What happened?
It's a long story.
Give us some story.
It's a long story, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. I had a friend.
Okay.
I can't say her name.
Yeah.
I think it was 2016.
Okay.
First year of college. I studied hair care, by the way, and cosmetology.
Okay.
So this lady, I know her for a few months. We became friends, and then
at the campus.
At the campus, yes.
Okay. Yes.
We became friends. After that, I knew some lady who wanted to do her hair, to plait her hair.
Yeah.
So I at that time I couldn't plait.
Okay.
I didn't know how to plait.
Okay.
But my friend here knows how to plait.
This
No, not this one.
You mean that?
Yes.
Yo, I was like, what's going on here?
Not you.
Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah.
So this is what happened.
The one who betrayed you.
Yes.
Oh, she knew how to do the hair thing.
Yeah, she knew everything about her.
Oh, okay.
I'm like, this other lady comes to me, says to me, I see that you study hair care. Can you plait my hair, blah blah blah. And I'm like, no, I know someone who can do your hair.
Yeah.
Cheap 600.
Yeah.
What? I'm charging 600. I'm charging already without even talking to him, to my friend.
So wait. Okay, you're already charging.
Yes.
But on that charging, you're already thinking about your cut as well.
Yes.
Because you are the ones who are going to introduce this client to Okay,
Exactly.
alright. You said 600
So-
bucks.
600.
Yeah.
I go to my friend and say, hey, this lady wants to do a wada, you know. How much do you do? Okay, let me say twist. It's a hairstyle.
Yeah.
How much do you do twist for?
Yeah.
She says 400.
You are like,
I'm like,
good shot.
good shot.
Yeah.
I have my 200. So,
Yeah.
okay. And then I tell her, oh, Bon, I charged this lady 600.
Yeah.
So you are going to give me 200
Yeah.
and take that your 400. The one that
I don't
you
need
charged.
any card.
I don't need any card.
She's already gonna give us 600 bucks.
I just need only 200.
Yeah.
My 200
Yeah.
from that
Yeah.
600. She can. I even gave her the place where she can plait that lady.
Yeah.
Like she came to my house where I lived for Alexander.
Yeah.
Did her thing. How? Now, okay, she's done. I'm like, okay, I saw the lady giving my friend that 600. I'm like, yeah, show me.
It didn't sound.
Yo, show me. You see this hairstyle, Ayo? I didn't think you were talking about this hairstyle.
Yeah.
This hairstyle is 600, not 400.
Friends, what are you doing?
Yeah, that's what she did to me.
Damn.
And she gave me nothing.
And then you, bro, have you ever been betrayed by a friend?
Not really. I was never betrayed. Instead, I was being played.
How? What do you mean?
There was a time that I had money in my account. It was an investment. So the time the money matured
Yeah.
and came out, I had a friend, a close friend, who I thought he was a friend.
Just raise your voice. Yes.
Understand?
Yeah.
So it came to a certain point where we used to blow money like hell. Took my money.
You guys.
Yeah,
You used
both
to
of
blow
us.
money.
Yeah, no, I blew my money.
Yeah.
Yeah, the time I got it,
How much is it?
it was 50,000.
50,000. Damn. Wait a minute. Where did you get this 50 grand?
Yeah, I'm not gonna say, but I had my ways.
Okay.
Yeah.
I hear you. Okay.
So we had to
Alright.
put down no see in fact.
Okay. Alright.
Like I,
Five not.
Yeah, we jailed that person. Then, as soon as Chaltaka say hello, that's when he decided to just disappear on me.
Yo.
Become AWOL. If I would call him, he wouldn't answer. If I would text him, he wouldn't get back to me. And I was like, oh, okay, that's how life is. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna let him go. So I decided to just.
So
stay away
wait.
from him.
Okay, I hear you chat talk. I hear you chat. But like, where is he now?
No, he's still alive. He's still available. He's still alive. I normally see him around the streets. We only greet each other. That's it.
No, there's no more.
Nah, there's no longer friendship between me and him.
Is it?
Yeah.
Guys, 28 May is around the corner, guys.
What's happening?
She's asking what's happening.
No, like most
Clearly, she didn't register to vote, guys.
I did.
I'm not gonna vote.
Yeah.
Why not?
Just forget
Yeah, so I wanted to ask you guys what's your take when it comes to voting, you know? Because now a lot of people are saying now it's more like we're back on 1994. Like, the world is at stake, especially SA is at stake right now. We don't know which is which. People are confused, are tired of the ANC. Some are very skeptical when it comes to EFF. My chat is this: why is the DA always number 2, but it's only few white people that we have, but it's on number 2? You know, okay, guys, 28 May is coming. What's your take when it comes to this voting thing?
What can I say? Okay, I registered to vote, by the way. I'm going to vote.
Okay.
But now I'm really gonna vote for change.
Okay.
Why I say that?
Yeah.
There's no change. Like, we've been voting the same party all these years, but there's no change. So I think if we give another party a chance and see, maybe there'll be some difference.
What's your take on
No,
the elections?
I'm not gonna vote. Not gonna lie to you, I'm not gonna vote. Since it was me, I've never even registered.
Why, bro? Why?
I don't know. I don't have that. You know, there are certain things where you think about a lot of things in life. Since you've been growing up, all parties were always there. But what difference did they actually make into a human being's life? Nothing.
They do actually.
For certain people,
Yeah,
but some
like-
of us they did nothing.
Yeah.
So I told myself that even if it might come to a push, I'm not gonna.
You're not doing
Yeah,
it.
I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna just.
So clearly, you didn't even register.
nah, I'm not gonna do anything.
Okay.
Literally.
So you are somebody who registered. You said you wanna switch things up. You don't wanna vote for ANC anymore. You wanna go for another party, which is they say your vote is your secret.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna ask you who you're gonna vote for. But like now, what do you think about 50-50, you guys? Like when you hear the name 50-50, what's come to your mind? Like what do you think?
Like,
Does it applies? It's only like at work or it's even on a relationship?
Okay,
I think it should be on a relationship too.
but then can I ask? I'm not gonna ask.
Okay, it's fine. Let me hear his chair. Let me
Why
hear his chair.
does 50-50 matters more? Why does it matter?
What does it mean?
Why does it matter to a human being? Yeah.
I don't know. Like this.
I'm asking Sithole now because I want her to explain it to me.
Okay.
Why does it matter?
It matters because some people don't want to go like 100%.
Why not 100%? What are they scared of?
Okay, you are saying
Alright.
you're saying
50-50.
50-50 should be applied in a relationship.
Yes.
Why so?
No, I think it's only fair that we both share whatever that we want to do.
But
If we go,
but Sithole, does it really exist that like yo?
it does.
Nah, man.
It does.
Nah, man. Guys, what I can tell you is this, right? Women, they say, nah, we are all equal, 50-50. But there's no such a thing as 50-50 when it comes to relationship. Yes, at work, of course. And you know, when they implement, he's laughing. I think he got something to say.
Okay.
Yeah.
When it comes to work, 50-50 doesn't apply.
It does.
It
doesn't.
does.
It does. It does. Because, okay.
Why
yeah.
I'm saying this is because what I've been through at work at first, I knew that 50-50 doesn't apply, doesn't exist.
What-
Because
Why?
people would actually destroy you while working with them. They might laugh at you, but deep down they know what is it that they're after.
But this is different share talk.
Yeah.
Listen, I'm saying this thing is only applies at the work environment. Why am I saying this?
Why?
The reason I'm saying 50-50 is only applies at work is because women, remember, the very same thing that says 50-50 was for women to get the very same opportunities that the men had. You know, it's either it's driving cars. You guys were not allowed to drive, so now you can drive.
Yes.
If ever there's like I said, as much as you did your hair thingy, let's say there's like a big salon that wants like a manager or so, they can, if ever he did the very same thing and then you did, so it means you have like a higher chances. These days they even do these things. You have a higher chances for getting that job.
Yeah.
Do you understand? So that's why I'm saying when it comes to work relation,
Okay.
it applies.
It applies.
But when it comes to relationship wise, I don't think, man. I think men are always saving like more when it comes to like 50-50 thinking. It doesn't work.
I think it does apply.
Okay. How so?
Nah, man. I don't
Yeah.
think so, man.
How so?
It does.
I don't think so.
Like sharing a bill, like, you know.
Okay, example.
Splitting the bill
Okay.
and
Let
stuff.
me ask you this, Sithole. When you go to let me say, if you go out with your person, who's gonna pay for the bills?
He's gonna pay.
Be honest.
He's gonna pay.
Okay, if you go on a date,
Yeah.
who's gonna pay for that date?
He's gonna pay for the date.
So where is this 50-50 coming from now?
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
I can pay a date. You request a date.
Yeah.
If I say, baby, let's go for a date, I requested the
Yeah.
date. Go and I'm going to spend.
Yeah.
I'm going to pay for the bill and
Yeah.
everything.
Nah. Women, that guys says, yo, we must go out, we must do this. They're not gonna spend even a single cent. These are facts.
I know.
I'm telling you, Doug. I'm telling you, it doesn't work.
It does.
Yeah. So you're just saying these things, man. Okay.
Contradicting yourself.
Okay. What's your deal breaker when it comes to a relationship? Now I'm talking about relationship in general, not like your kind of relationship, not friendship. When it comes to relationship, what's your deal break? Let me start with you.
What's my deal breaker?
Meaning, like, no go zone. Like, if you do this, like, we're done. To get it. Okay, example. Let's say cheating.
One thing for sure about me, when it comes to relationship, I don't have boundaries. I let you do you. I'll do me. But what matters the most is that we need to give each other respect, be loyal to me, and be honest with me by anything. Then we move on.
What kind of a relationship doesn't have
that's me.
What are you talking about?
That's me.
What are you talking about?
That's my relationship. I don't have boundaries at all. I'm not gonna tell somebody to do what.
You know, the moment you say I'm gonna let you do you, there's no relationship.
How come? There is.
No.
I love you, you love me, but then most definitely I'm not gonna stop you from doing your things, the ones that you were doing before.
So let's say your partner says,
I won't stand in your way. Why should I?
Let's say your partner says to you, I can do whatever I want.
Yes.
Or your partner can do whatever she wants.
She wants, like how?
Actually, you said there's no boundaries.
Yes, there's no boundaries, which means, Mamela, so if I got you as a friend, okay, I got you as a girlfriend, and you were chilling with guys, why should I stop you from doing that? I love you, yes. I want to be with you, I want to spend time with you, but why should I stop you from doing something that makes you happy? You understand? So that's my deal breaker, because I know that doing so, normally relationships they don't last because of why we guys become so controlling. You understand? You wanna control a woman, don't do that. Don't chill with her. Don't go where. Don't drink. That's where the relationship starts lacking, because of now I'm becoming too much controlling.
But I realize
you understand
something. I don't want to say it wrong. No. Yeah. No. Okay. Here's here's my chat. Ne? You know what I've realized when it's come to women. Ne? Women like somebody who's gonna be masculine, somebody who's gonna tell you what to do, but not direct. Don't tell me that. Okay, if you don't want your girl to go to Rockefeller, ne? Like, put some actions saying no, she mustn't go. So they don't wanna be commanded that Sithole, don't go to
what kind of listen, sometimes that's what I'm saying.
Because at the end of the day they're gonna call you a simp. And women don't want a simp man. Somebody who agrees on everything.
Somebody's weak.
Exactly.
It's not all about weakness. There's a woman that don't understand a guy being himself and a guy being weak. There are two different things. I can be weak according to the way you see me, according to your view. But at the same time, I'm doing what pleases me. I'm not being weak. Because that's how I was raised. So why should I change because of you came into my life?
I hear you, man.
Yeah, so let's just
fix it. I hear you.
Like that.
Okay, what is the one thing that your friends don't know about you?
I'm not sure.
No, I mean, I'm trying to say, okay, maybe they don't know you that you don't forgive. If you hurt me, I rather chill with you, but like, inside me I'm burning. I was like, I don't want to be with this person. Those type vibes. Do you understand? Yeah. Like, what is the one thing that your friends don't know about you?
Nah, most of my friends, they know everything about me. I've never hidden anything from anybody.
Is it?
Yeah.
Same goes to you.
Yeah, I might say so.
What's your hidden talent?
My hidden talent? I'm a writer. And people don't know. They haven't discovered my writings. Only me knows.
And then, Sithole,
I can sing.
Is it? You can sing?
Yeah.
You must book here some studio session. For me?
Yes, for here I can sing.
You saying you went you did this hair thinking on college and everything. Like, how far are you now with your hair thinking? Are you still doing it?
No.
Why?
Like, totally. I lost interest. I know my mom is very angry right now because she hates when I say that, but I really lost interest.
Damn, just like that?
Yes. Just like that.
Damn, that's crazy, man. That's cool, man. Because now I wanted to plug you now, because I wanted to ask, like, how much are you charging when you're doing this, either these? So you just stopped doing it?
Yeah.
Are you on TikTok?
Nope.
You're not? Okay. What did you... Okay. Guys, she held 500,000 on TikTok, right? And then she decided not to do TikTok again. Around 3 weeks or a month without dropping anything. Bro, did you get a cold feet? What happened after that 500,000?
Okay. This was my first time.
Yeah.
Trending.
Yeah.
So it's overwhelming. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do.
Damn, that's crazy. Guys, like, yo, this is crazy, man. The numbers are flying. Like, we're flying, guys. Like,
even now.
At work, we were busy. Even now, ne?
Yeah.
On that very same video.
People are still commenting on that video.
And
what kind of video is that?
She did some, like, guys, we're gonna post that video, right? The one that we're talking about. You're gonna see it on the screen.
Good day, guys. Emma Bailey. Good day, guys. Hey, get a video ena ka pelo e botlhoko. Ke kopa re stop re ka ntse tsa makula. Ke fetsa ho ja di strike like 20 minutes ago. Ke share packet e le mme wa ka. Kopa le re shebeng re jwang mama tlong. Kopa le re shebeng re jwang. And what na go no good. It's not a filter, guys. It's not a filter. Re sona ke di strike. Re rurugile.
She did some, like, a prank with her mom.
Okay.
Where I think they were eating some grapes, if I'm not mistaken, saying strikers did this and that and everything. Then that video blew up, bro. 500,000 views. Thousands and thousands of comments. That's crazy, man. So please, man, you have to do more videos, because we don't know. Like, people are chowing with TikTok videos.
Yeah, I know, hey.
And what I realized about her, she don't follow.
I do.
No, you don't.
I do. I follow so many people.
No. You have 500,000 video, and you're only following how many people? I mean, how many followers do you have?
No, I'm not sure.
Less than 5,000
followers.
Yes, the people who are following you, because you don't follow back. Go and check there. You'll see. You see? Less than 3,000. She don't follow. Just like your mom. Do you believe in manifestations of things?
Please take it down, so.
Manifestation is more like, right now, if it's more like, how can I put these things? When you manifest, it's like you're bringing this positive energy on something that you want to do, or something that you want. Let's say you want to go back on doing a hair thing, ne? Then you started maybe posting about it, like, yo, I wish, because now I'm back on doing this the hair thingy. I wish I can get like which the biggest salon that you know? Maybe the one that is in Sentin or somewhere, the biggest salon that you know.
So again. It's a big legendary. Is it legendary power?
Yeah. Okay. Let's say no. Let's go to the other name, Sobe, or whatever. Let's say you're saying you're busy doing the hair. Let's say you are doing khabo, right? Whatever. I wish I can go and work at Sobain or whatever that hair salon thing. And you are busy manifesting.
Okay.
But you are talking these things into existence.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Then you end up working there, or somebody just gave you a call, said, "Yo, we saw your video, or we saw it. You are busy doing whatever. Can you please came for interview and everything?" They give you like somebody, or maybe there's like lady there saying, "Can you do this type?" Then you do exactly that. Now, like you are manifesting.
Okay.
Yeah. You understand?
Yeah, I do believe in that.
Manifestation. What about you?
I don't.
Okay, guys, moving right along. I wrote some questions for you guys here. Okay, I already asked this one. Okay, what do you think about people who does like surgeries?
I think they're crazy.
Also,
surgery is like
BBL,
boob job.
Yeah, nose job.
Yeah,
the lips.
Why do you change yourself? I mean, like, mudimu create and then you decide to change, like completely change how you look.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
What do you think about this?
Some people don't actually believe in their naturality. They only believe in them being fake. So they're not okay brain wise. They're not fine.
Okay, Sithole, you have a kid, right?
Yes.
What do you think about the law that has been passed, especially in USA, that a 12-year-old can decide that, like, I wanna be a girl. Let's say he's a boy, decide, then he can go to surgery to remove his genitals and become
That's transgender, right?
Yeah. Now they're saying like a 12-year-old can decide that now.
Why not? Like, it's a child. He or she's a child. So
exactly.
Let your child
exactly
do
what you just said.
He's only 12.
Yeah, I don't care.
And your baby girl just wakes up today and says, "Daddy, I want to be a boy."
Okay, why am I stopping her?
Do you have kids?
Yeah, I have a kid.
For real?
Yeah.
A 12-year-old?
No, she's very young now. She's 1 year, 7 months.
No, I'm saying a 12-year-old.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll let her do her own decisions. Why should I stop her from doing so? I was stopped by my parents to do my own decisions, but now I'm a parent. I have to just let my child do whatever she
feels. A 12-year-old.
Damn, this is crazy. Hey, some parents.
Some
parents, they live a lie.
No, bro, like this is crazy because now I believe even if, you know, when it comes to doing tattoos, according to me, this is my opinion now. I believe you have to be at least, you know, above 18. Because that thing is
Why are you stating age for a child? Why are you stating the age for a child?
At least now you are a little bit mature.
Yeah.
You have to know that this thing is gonna
That's the problem. That's the problem we're having. You have to let your child be free. Do whatever he or she feels like doing. Doesn't matter what kind of age she is.
Nah, man, that's why Will Smith kids are fucked up because of this.
No, they're not fucked up. Will Smith made sure, like, he. Now they're multi-billionaires. They're multi-millionaires because of the things that they did. She didn't actually close because she wanted to satisfy he or the emotions. You understand?
Guys, well, I want to hear on your comment section. Sithole, what do you think about these things when it comes to 12-year-old? This law that they've been passed that a 12-year-old can do whatever they wish.
Like, is it really happening?
Yeah, when I'm hearing it, it's gonna come this side. Remember, the BBL started that side.
It's a law.
Yeah, like they have passed that law. Now, like a 12-year-old can decide that, mommy, from today.
I just pray and hope it doesn't come to South Africa.
South Africa copies everything from the US.
That's wrong.
SA copies everything from the US.
Total.
I'm telling you.
That's wrong.
It's coming.
Total. It's wrong.
It's coming. Look, the BBLs now, this side is a fashion. That side now they're removing the BBLs. There's a video that I don't know if I still have on my phone. I'm gonna show you where they're busy squeezing all this fats out of this lady. So you know, we are copying. While we are taking everything, they wanna get out of these things. It's like, I don't know, man.
Yeah.
It's it, man. Okay, guys. I will wanna play a game. So I'm gonna ask a question. Then I'm gonna choose between you guys who must answer.
Okay.
Are you good?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. According to methodology, what did people turn into if they look at Medusa? Listen, this is you.
I don't understand the question.
Listen. According to methodology, what did people turn into? You watch movies. Your mom told me that you watch movies. You like movies.
I do.
This story has been documented even in movies. Listen, according to methodology, what did people turn into if they look at Medusa? I'm gonna give you options. Don't worry. It's not hectic. Number A. Okay, A. Yeah, A, water. B, stone. C, fire.
Stone?
Yeah.
Stone?
Huh?
The answer is B?
No, what? I'm asking you, what are you asking me?
No, I'm telling you that the answer is okay.
Yeah.
Fire.
Are you sure? Okay. Same question to you.
The answer is A.
Water.
Which one is the correct one?
It's stone, guys.
Yeah, I did say it was
Medusa, but now you got it wrong.
I did say B.
Yeah, you said
Okay.
Okay.
You didn't get it. Both of you guys, okay, where in the body is the medulla oblongata located? Listen, it's you now. Heart, A. Heart, A.
Yeah.
Spine, B. Or C, brain.
Brain. Brain.
And then you?
Brain.
Okay.
Is it correct?
Yeah, so correct.
Yeah.
How many continents are there on Earth? This is you. Number A, 5. B, 6. C, 7.
7.
No, you pick from A to C.
Yeah, I'm saying C.
Okay, and then you?
C.
C.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Yeah?
Okay. Yeah. I'm going with C.
Okay, this.
Hey.
Okay, again, the last one. Okay, the last one is, what is the most spoken languages in the world by number of native speakers? Number A, this is you. Number A, English. B, Mandarin Chinese. C, Spanish.
Number A.
You're saying it? English?
Yeah, it's A, English, yes.
Okay, and then you?
C.
Spanish.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's false. It's Mandarin. Okay, guys. Okay, that was easy on it. If you want people to follow you on TikTok, please give them your TikTok handle.
My handle is Lesego Moretsi. Just Lesego Moretsi. Yes.
And
on TikTok. On
you,
I don't have a social media account. So.
Please, guys, go and follow her, guys. She hit 500,000, guys. 500,000 on TikTok. I'm gonna help her do more. Just that I don't know if I have time, but like we're gonna help her do more TikTokers, guys. We wanna make sure that TikTok must pay her. 500,000 is not a child's play, guys. Or like a lot of people are doing your 20K, your whatever, not 500,000. That was something else, guys. So make sure follow her. Lesego Moretsi, right?
Lesego Moretsi.
Lesego Moretsi on TikTok. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell every time when I drop anything.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when we drop a video, you'll be notified.